Hello friend, welcome Serial A to Z. Today we are talking about one of the most hilarious, awkward, emotional and completely unpredictable character in television history, Ross Geller from Friends. Now, honestly, Ross is the kind of character who can make literally any situation uncomfortable without even trying. And that is exactly why he is so funny. The compilation starts with Rose sitting in a pediatrician office trying to flirt with a single mom. At first, he trying to act smooth, confident, and charming, but within within seconds, the entire conversation becomes awkward chaos. That that is that is classic Ross behavior. What makes Ross different from the other friends character is that he is extremely intelligent, but socially he completely falls apart. One minute he is explaining dinosaur evolution and scientific discovery like a genius professor, and the next minute he is panicking because somebody he fell sleeping during his speech. And honestly, david david Swim, Simmer plays Rose so perfectly that even his facial expression become comedy. One of the funniest parts of this compilation is watching Rose pretend that he is completely okay with Joy dating Charlie, but you can literally see the jealousy and pain on his face. Rose always tries to act mature and emotionally controlled, but inside he is absolutely losing his mind. Another another amazing thing about Ross is that he somehow manages to turn simple situation into complete disaster, whether it is relationship, dating, parenting, or even giving a speech. Something always goes wrong. The lottery episode is another perfect example. While everybody is dreaming about becoming rich and flying helicopter to private islands, Ross acts like he is he is he is above all the nonsense. But eventually he joins the fun anyway, because deep down Rose always wants to feel included, and honestly that makes him weirdly re- relatable. The scenes with baby Emma are probably room of the acutest moments in the entire show. watching Rose and Rachel sing Baby Got Back just to make Emma laugh is both ridiculous and adorable at the same time. Only Friends could make something that weird feel wholesome, and then he have overthinking Rose, possibly the most dangerous version of Rose. The apartment leak scene becomes for comedy because Rachel starts imagining crazy situation and instead of calming her down, Rose somehow makes everything worse. That eagle story is honestly one of the funniest panic conversation in Friends history, but underneath all the comedy, Rose is also one of the also one of the sated character in the show. He he desperately wants love, stability, and a happy family, but somehow every relationship in his life becomes complicated, and maybe that is why fans connect with him so much, because beneath all the awkward jokes and emotional breakdown, Rose feels human. And finally, and finally, and finally, the fake memorial scene perfectly shows how insane Rose fan become when he overthinking things. The man literally fakes his own death just to see what people think about him. That is absolutely crazy and absolutely Rose. Overall, this compilation reminds us why Rose Geller is one of the greatest sitcom character ever created. He is awkward, dramatic, emotional, insecure, intelligent, funny, and completely unpredictable. And no matter how ridiculous he becomes, he is always entertaining to watch. And no matter to sell me in the comments what is your favorite Rose Geller moment from Friends. So like and subscribe the video and meet next video. Thank you.